Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about logic building tools. This is part 2. In the previous part we have discussed about algorithms and we have also seen that there are few more logic building tools like flowchart. Now algorithm is quite easy to create but not suitable for building complex logic. Flowcharts are a pictorial representation of the solution. It is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. It has different types of diagrams or symbols to represent the different situation in a workflow. Hence, before proceeding ahead, let's discuss the type of diagrams or symbols that we use in flowcharts. There are plenty of symbols available in flowcharts, but we will focus on important ones only. Now, as I told you, for complex logic, algorithm is not a good choice. And hence, we are going to learn about flowcharts, which is a pictorial representation of the solution. So, before we move on and create a flowchart for us, let's discuss about the symbols that we use in a flowchart to represent various situations and various steps related to a workflow or a process. As you can see, these are the symbols, their name is given and their purpose as well. The first one is flow line, which is used to show the flow of process. Terminal shows the starting and ending of a flow chart. Input output box, so this symbol is actually used to represent input and output in the whole workflow. This process box or rectangle is used to show the operation which is going to be performed, and this diamond box or decision is used to show the decision step of the flowchart. This is very interesting box as it is the only box which has one flow line coming to it and two flow line going out. For the rest of the symbols, there is only one flow line that is coming and one flow line that is going out. The standard flow of the flowchart process is from top to bottom or left to right, but in case you want to follow a different flow from this, then that can also be done. Other than these, the flowchart has the following symbols as well, but they are quite beyond the scope of the course. These are predefined process, on-page connector, off-page connector, manual input and database respectively. So if we see our same example of withdrawing money from the ATM in form of flowchart, it will look something like this. Start with the terminal window, then take ATM card and you can see it's in the input box. Visit nearby ATM, a process you have to do. Choose your language, another input. Choose type of bank account, another input. Choose withdraw option, another input. Enter amount to withdraw, one more input. Enter ATM pin, one more input. Collect ATM card and cash, the final output, and the stop terminal symbol. Though this was very simple logic and hence you see only two of the symbols over there, but in flowchart there can be plenty of symbols depending upon the complexity of the problem. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.